Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. This is question number 3 of May-June session 2020. In this question, they are testing us on algebraic equations. The first part of the question says, rearrange m equals to 4n minus 3 to make n the subject. So first you have to point out n. n is being multiplied with a 4 and then there's a minus 3 as well. So when minus 3 goes on the other side, it becomes a plus 3. So m plus 3 equals to 4n. 4 is being multiplied, which means when it goes on the other side, it gets divided, equals to n. 1 mark is for each step, which means that if you miss out on any step, you will be losing your marks. M plus 3 divided by 4 is your final answer. The second part of the question says, solve these simultaneous equations. Show your working. So simultaneous equations can be solved using two methods. Number one, elimination. Number two, substitution. You have to quickly check which method you would be using in this case. So I can see that there's a minus y over here. I will be choosing substitution because y can easily be made a subject. First, I will label my equation. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. From equation number 2, you can say that 5x minus 3 equals to y. Or you can also say that y equals to 5x minus 3. This would be your equation number 3. Now, I would be substituting this value in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 10x plus 7y equals to minus 3. So in place of y, I will be substituting this value. 7 times 5x minus 3 equals to minus 3. Let's simplify this. 10x plus 35x minus 21 equals to negative 3, which means that 10x plus 35x minus 21 plus 3 equals to 0. Let's simplify this further now. This will become 45x minus 18 equals to 0. So when you take 18 on the other side, it would become positive 18. So x equals to 18 divided by 45. Use your calculator and find the answer of this. The answer would be 0.4. Now, since we have this equation, the third equation, which is the simplest equation, I would be substituting this value of x and I will calculate the value of y. So 0.4 minus 3, y equals to negative 1. So x equals to 0.4 and y equals to negative 1. These are your answers. The third part of the question says, solve the equation 5x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Giving your answer corrected 2 decimal places. Now, whenever the question is asking for 2 decimal places, it automatically means that you would be using the quadratic formula. Other way of figuring this out is that if you look at your equation, the middle term breaking will not be possible here. So we will be using the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. It's always easy to write down the formula in front of you and the values so that it becomes clear to you. So a equals to 5, b equals to 3, and c equals to minus 1. You can see that I calculated these values from this equation. Then I will substitute the values. So minus 3 plus minus under root of 3 square minus 4 times 5 times minus 1 divided by 2 times 5. Now simplify this further. Minus 3 plus minus under root of. Do not forget that there's a minus over here with a 4 and there's a minus over here with a 1 as well, which would mean that it would become a plus. So 3 square is 9. 4 times 5 is 20. So 9 plus 20 is 29. So I will have under root 29 over here divided by 10 equals to minus 3 plus under root 29 divided by 10 and minus 3 minus under root 29 divided by 10. These are your two values of x. From here, I will be getting 0.24 and from here, I will be getting minus 0.84. These are my two values. I will write these down in my space provided. Thank you very much. I hope this was clear to you. If not, please write it down in the comment section and I will help you out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.